Wow. Oh, look at that. All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor James. We are in Jun'an, right outside of Shunde, best Cantonese food in the world here. And we specifically came here to Da Ban Xiao, whole steamed pig. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a big, fatty pig, and we're gonna go watch how it's made and try it out. If you like juicy, succulent meat, you're in for a treat. Because today, we're traveling to Shunde and going to the birthplace and #1 restaurant for entire steamed pig in all of China. So make sure to watch all the way until the end. Because today, we're taking a common street food in China, the roast pig, and leveling it up and making an even better version by steaming it with a lesson from Master Chef Lee, preparing the pig from start to finish in the back of his Cantonese kitchen, and then eating a huge Cantonese feast with him as he explains the beauty of all the food to us. Let's eat. 下面是蒸猪，对吗？
蒸猪的工厂。
哦，they're gonna show us.
所以在这里因为他那个猪呢，从屠宰场杀回来以后，在这里加工。
哦，都在这里做的。Oh, this is where it's all made. The steamed entire pig. Oh, look at that. We've got an entire pig here. So Chef Lee has just stepped out to put his whites on, and he is gonna come back and show us how this is made. This entire pig completely just cut open. The skin and the meat is just attached right on there, and he's gonna show us the sauces and how they make it. Oh, 很大，这个很大。
很大。
这个是蒸的猪，对吗？
蒸的猪。
哦。
因为这个我们在初加工的时候就把它打花了，由那整个去了
都开了。
开了。
哇。
这个是改到10公分厚的。
所以有那个皮，还有那个肉，还有
这个
皮肉，还有一点肺，对吗？
嗯。
哇 ，this is absolutely incredible, and we're so lucky to be hanging with Lee Da Chu here, Mr. Chef Lee. 哦，这个是糖嘛？
猪粉，蒸猪这个调料。
调料。
蒸猪的调料。
蒸猪的调料。哦。
这里边有糖啊，盐啊。
糖。盐 ，OK。
鸡粉。
哦，鸡粉。
还有那个五香粉。
五香粉 ，OK, great， 太棒了。So it's a bit of sugar, salt.
闻起来挺香的。
嗯，挺香的。And 5 spice powder. 哦，很香的。这个有一点肉桂嘛？
桂皮有的。五香粉里边就包吹里边有五样东西。
哦，五样的东西哦。桂皮 ，Yeah. So it actually smells like cinnamon. 哦，都放在这里嘛？
哎，对。
我可以帮你吗？
可以。
哦，太好了。So we're just gonna put that sugar and salt and 5 spice mix all over this. 哦，那个桂皮很香，特别香的。Oh, it smells fantastic. The cinnamon and the sugar.
这个皮就一层层。
哦，都放在它的骨头中间。
因为打的话容易进味。
深入那个味道。你做了这个几年？
我做了这个几十年了，我们是老挑一个传统下来的。
哦，传统的做法。This is absolutely incredible. 这个猪几岁？
这个猪呢大概是7、8个月。
7、8个月。
大概每头100斤左右，等于50公斤。
哦，50公斤。
毛猪蒸熟了以后把那个内脏骨头拆出来以后蒸下。加工完了熟了，大概50斤左右。
这里要按摩。
按摩。均匀的。
均匀。哇。
这样呢，腌的时候呢，腌制要2个小时。
哦。
等它进味。
进味2个小时。
OK。然后呢，到半个小时就把它动一下，让它按摩一下，容易进味。
Okay. So we've got to let it sit for a couple hours, and then after half an hour, you got to massage the spice mix in. And we're just bringing out pig after pig. Isn't that crazy? Wow. This is unlike anything you'll ever see. So we're gonna place it down. Wow. That is heavy. 这个是烧它的毛嘛？ So we're gonna burn the hair off right here. Whoa! Wow. 这个皮慢慢变成脆嘛？
不脆的，
不脆的嘛？
爽口，等一下硬的。
Oh, Schwanko. What an honor to see this. Really, once in a lifetime experience. That's the face there. That's the snout. And we're just getting all of the hair off. Isn't that crazy? So now we're just gonna cover it in a bit of water. Oh, just scrape the remainders off. We're just gonna start the fire here. Take this entire pig and put it on here to steam. We're gonna put it on. Wow. That is the most beautiful entire pig you'll ever see. Cover it up. Beautiful. 这个要蒸多久？40分钟。40分钟。好。Okay, here we go. It's ready. Oh, 出油嘛。Oh, so he's just stabbing the skin.
出来了，马上。
And then there's some oil that comes out. Oh, 对对对。
滚出来了。
Oh, 出油。Yeah, that is sticky. Oh, you can smell that pork aroma. Oh, 这个是芝麻. Oh, sesame. So he's just putting some sesame on the skin there. Beautiful. Incredibly satisfying. How? So we've got a 30 kg whole steamed pig. We are transporting to the dining room now, and we are gonna get to feast on that succulent skin and juicy fatty meat. Oh, there it is. The entire steamed pig. Isn't that amazing? And locals and tourists alike all come here to feast on this beautiful steamed whole pig. Hanhao kanda. Oh, it's so succulent looking with all the sesame on there. And look at everyone, they're just as excited as we are. 真的吗？哇！
看过。在电脑看过你啊。
很好。
哦，很好。你第一次来这里是吧？
对。
啊。
Oh, look at this. This is crazy. Oh, look at this, guys. We are beginning the cutting experience. Oh, it's just so soft. And Randa. Oh, that is incredible. Oh, you can really smell the cinnamon and the sugar. Oh, 可以尝吗？
可以尝。
Oh, look at that, guys. We got the first bite. 谢谢大厨，李大厨。Beautiful. Try it out. Oh. Oh, wow.
怎么样？
Warm. Oh, there's 太好吃了。
是吧？
Oh. 太好吃了. Oh, it is incredibly soft, incredibly tender, a little sweet, just a slight cinnamon flavor. And that 5-spice blend is just to die for. And we're just chopping it up here and covering it with sesame. Wow, 太好吃了. It's incredibly tender. The skin is so fatty. It really melts in your mouth just like butter. Oh, yes. 那个皮很软软的，刚好，太好吃了。 That is the most beautiful pig. And my first time trying steamed pig like that.
I am your fans.
你好。Hi.
Thank you，谢谢。
好好。
我一个
太好啦。After watching MasterChef Lee chop up most of the pig, we sat down at a huge table together and feasted on tons of Shunde Cantonese specialties, the most elegant cuisine in China. Awesome. what an amazing feast we've got here today. Look at this. 这个是什么东西？
这个是那个白丝那个咕噜肉。
哦，咕噜肉。
咕噜肉你这个脆口的、爽口的。
哦，爽口的 ，sweet and sour pork。还有这个是什么东西？
这个长豆角。
长豆角。
圆。
哦，很长的。
等一下吃。
非常长的。
哦，伸长一个，就这样放嘴巴，吃面条一样吃。这个原汁原味。
crispy。原味。原味。还有什么东西？这个是
烤猪。
烤猪。哦。所以你们有2个猪，一个烤猪，
一个烧猪，一个蒸猪。
哦 so there's a roast pig, and then the 蒸猪 which we came for.
均安有4大名菜。
2
个猪。
2个猪。
2个鱼。
2个鱼。
这个一个是鱼饼。
鱼饼。So there's 2 types of pork.
均安鱼饼。
And 2 types of fish. 鱼饼。So there's a fish cake.
就是美国那个华人都知道这个均安鱼饼。
他们都知道了吗？
还有那个鱼羹。
So all the Chinese in America know about these things and the 均安羹，对吗？
菜鱼羹。鱼羹。
鱼羹。有木耳吗？
鱼。
这个是木耳吗？
木耳。
so there's the wood ear mushroom.
生瓜。
Fish.
西瓜。
西瓜。it's all in there. 然后这个是另外一个出名的鱼，对吗？
这个鱼就是我们均安才有这个鱼。
这个是什么味道？
这个跟这个一样的鱼丸。
鱼丸。
那这个鱼是2吃的这个鱼就把那个脊那个肉剔出来，就打成这个丸。然后呢，把这个鱼腩呢就放在一起蒸。
明白了。So it's made with the fish balls. 然后这个是鱼蛋嘛？
鱼蛋。
鱼蛋 the fish eggs. 然后这个是豆豉嘛？这个是姜、酸，还有什么？
豆豉。
豆豉。and the black beans.
酱。
太好了。太好吃了。You can taste a bit of ginger and garlic and fermented black beans. Look at that.
肥而不腻你看见它肥，它吃下去就不觉得腻。
不太腻。
不太腻。
Beautiful. 太好吃了。
对吗
？The meat and the fat is perfect ratio, but the fat actually doesn't feel fatty. It's just silky. 不腻。就刚好。太好吃了。我尝这个是
咕噜
肉。And this is classic sweet and sour pork.
有酸甜味。
酸甜嘛？
酸甜的但是吃下去外面是脆口的，里边是爽口的。脆爽。
So it's sweet and sour with a 爽口很爽口嘛。So it's a good mouthfeel.
我们挑那个是猪颈肉里边做的那块肉。2个感觉，对吧？
对。2个感觉。
2个感觉，一个脆，一个爽。
Yeah. It's just perfect food here. Crispy, succulent, fatty, sweet, slightly sour.
这个在国外对你们的老外是最出名的了，
最出名，
每个酒店都等着这个，等你们外国人尝这个了。
对，the most famous dish outside of China, 咕噜肉 sweet and sour pork, but here it's just like 100 times better. 比外国100倍好多了。这个太好吃了。这个是我的梦想。
有空再过来。
那么多好吃的 it's just a true 顺德 Jun'an food heaven. 谢谢李大厨，辛苦你了。
辛苦你们。
太好吃了。
有空再过来。
谢谢你的介绍，太好吃了。 好，谢谢见，下次见。好，拜拜。拜拜。哦，太好了。What a once-in-a-lifetime experience that was with Mr. Lee. I would love to know what you thought about this video in the comments below. Please click that subscribe and little bell notification button so you don't miss any of these street food tours. And check out our merch in the description below. We got Travel, Eat, Repeat, and Thai Howla merch. Thanks so much for watching.